Okay, now if you have been waiting for the next big leap in smartphone AI, the Galaxy S26 series might actually deliver something tangible. New reports from ICE Universe indicate that the S26 lineup will feature a system called Edge Fusion, developed in collaboration with Nota AI. This isn't just another cloud-based gimmick, it is designed to generate AI images directly on the device in as little as 1 second. As per ICE Universe, Samsung plans to integrate Edge Fusion into the Galaxy S26 flagship series, which is scheduled to be released later this month. With this real-time on-device generation capability, users can create images quickly using text alone without relying on cloud processing, enhancing photography and creative experiences. Now that is a great news. However, the hardware news isn't all positive. For those hoping the Galaxy S26 Ultra would finally adopt the full Qi 2 wireless charging standard, specifically the magnetic alignment ring, you might be disappointed. ICE Universe has confirmed from independent sources with 100% accuracy that the Galaxy S26 Ultra ultimately does not include built-in magnets inside the device. Magnetic functionality still relies on magnetic cases. Recent leaks of official first-party cases show both magnetic and non-magnetic versions. The existence of a non-magnetic official case strongly implies that the phone itself lacks the built-in magnets found in the iPhones. This means that to get that snap-on magnetic charging experience, you will likely be forced to buy a specific case rather than relying on phone's native hardware. On the audio front, we finally have a clear look at the Galaxy Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro, which are expected to launch alongside the phones on February 25th. The renders reveal a transparent lid design for the rectangular case with the earbuds laying flat inside. The standard Buds 4 will feature an open design without silicone tips, while the Pro model includes silicone tips for better noise isolation. Both Pro models sport a stem design with charging connectors on the inside, and these are the actual leaked images from Android Headline, and we can clearly see how the Buds Pro and the regular Buds are going to look. Now, as far as the upcoming S26 series' cameras are concerned, Samsung has released a brand new video clip which shows the low light capability improvements on the Galaxy S26 series. The video clip shows that the videos are going to look slightly better and brighter with better dynamic range in darkly lit conditions. That is of course a minor improvement that we are going to get. This kind of confirms that the main camera on the S26 series will have an aperture of 1.4 reduced from 1.7, which means there is more light intake, and even the 5x periscope camera comes with f2.9, which has been improved from f3.4 on the predecessors. And this increases almost 37.5% more light intake on the 5x periscope camera as well. So we are going to get better low light performance on the S26 series, and that has been confirmed now with this video. These are some new updates regarding the Galaxy S26 series, which will be launched on 25th of February. I'm eagerly waiting for this event. What about you guys? Let me know in the comment section, and if you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your phone, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.